What if I told you this stunning 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z 28 Tribute could steal the spotlight from cars worth twice as much? Wait until you hear this V8 roar. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is more than just a classic American muscle car. It's a symbol of power, freedom, and an era when performance ruled the streets. Today, we're looking at an incredible 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Tribute, a beautifully restored machine that captures the aggressive spirit of one of Chevrolet's most legendary performance icons. Finished in stunning Cortez Silver with bold black center stripes and backed by serious mechanical upgrades, this Camaro is currently offered for $139,900. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why collectors continue to chase cars like this. From the very first glance, this Camaro demands attention. The sleek Cortez Silver paint perfectly complements the muscular curves of the first-generation Camaro body. Every body line reflects decades of automotive history while maintaining an unmistakably modern level of shine and craftsmanship. Running from the nose to the rear are striking black center stripes that instantly remind enthusiasts of the legendary Z28 heritage. The aggressive front splitter gives this Camaro an even more purposeful stance. Combined with the classic grille, hidden headlights, and wide, muscular fenders, it creates an appearance that looks ready to launch off the starting line at any moment. Sitting proudly on authentic-looking 15-inch rally wheels wrapped in Goodyear 7015 bias ply tires, the car preserves the timeless muscle car look that enthusiasts love. But this Camaro is much more than beautiful paint and chrome. Lift the hood and you'll find the heart of this beast, a dependable GM 327 cubic inch small block V8 engine. This legendary Chevrolet power plant delivers the unmistakable rumble that has made small block V8s famous around the world. Feeding the engine is a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, providing excellent airflow and crisp throttle response. Every press of the accelerator reminds you why carbureted muscle cars remain so special. The sound, the smell, and the instant mechanical connection create an experience modern performance cars simply cannot duplicate. Helping the engine breathe are jet-coated headers that improve exhaust flow while adding durability. Those headers connect to a dual exhaust system equipped with Flowmaster mufflers, producing the deep, thunderous exhaust note every muscle car enthusiast dreams of hearing. At idle, it growls with confidence. Under acceleration, it transforms into a roaring symphony that announces its presence long before it arrives. Backing this legendary engine is one of the most respected manual transmissions ever installed in a classic Chevrolet, the Muncie 4-speed manual gearbox. Every gear change feels mechanical, precise, and rewarding, putting the driver completely in control of the Camaro's performance. Power is delivered through a strong GM 12-bolt rear end fitted with a 3.73/1 gear ratio. This setup offers excellent acceleration while making the car incredibly enjoyable, whether cruising local roads or enjoying spirited weekend drives. Every launch delivers the kind of excitement that made American muscle cars famous. Driving confidence comes from more than just horsepower. This Camaro features power steering, making low-speed maneuvering much easier while preserving excellent road feel. Up front, power disc brakes provide significantly improved stopping performance, allowing the driver to enjoy the car with added confidence and control. One area that truly reflects the quality of this restoration is underneath the vehicle. The body color matched floor pan presents beautifully, while the black painted subframe offers a clean factory-inspired appearance. New hardware throughout the chassis demonstrates careful attention to detail. The restoration also includes a new gas tank, new brake lines, and new fuel lines, ensuring that reliability matches the Camaro's impressive appearance. Inside the cabin, the classic muscle car atmosphere immediately surrounds you. The black vinyl interior perfectly complements the silver exterior, creating a timeless color combination that has remained popular for decades. Comfortable bucket seats hold both driver and passenger securely while preserving the original character of the car. In the center sits the iconic 4-speed floor shifter, inviting you to take full command of every gear change. Ahead of the driver is Chevrolet's beautiful Rally 3-spoke steering wheel, a design that continues to define classic Camaro interiors. The dashboard blends originality with functionality. Factory gauges maintain the authentic appearance, while additional aftermarket gauges provide extra engine information, giving drivers greater confidence during spirited driving. Even the original style AM radio remains in place, reminding everyone that this Camaro proudly celebrates its late 1960s heritage. What makes this car especially appealing is its Z28 tribute styling. The legendary Z28 became one of Chevrolet's most celebrated performance models, and this tribute successfully captures that iconic appearance while offering dependable drivability and exceptional presentation. Every angle tells a story. The long hood, short rear deck, aggressive stance, polished trim, and unmistakable proportions make this one of the most recognizable muscle cars ever produced. Whether parked at a prestigious car show, displayed in a private collection, or cruising through town, this Camaro commands attention from enthusiasts of every generation. At an asking price of $139,900, this Camaro represents far more than transportation. It represents American automotive history, timeless design, thrilling V8 performance, and the emotional connection that only a true classic muscle car can provide. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Tribute isn't simply about horsepower or restoration quality. It's about the experience. It's about hearing the Flowmaster exhaust echo through the streets, rowing through the Muncie 4-speed, feeling the torque of the legendary 327 V8, and enjoying every mile behind one of the most iconic steering wheels Chevrolet ever produced. More than 5 decades after it first inspired enthusiasts, the 1969 Camaro continues to define the golden age of American muscle. Beautifully restored, mechanically impressive, and finished in one of the most desirable color combinations ever offered, this Z28 Tribute proves that true automotive legends never go out of style. It's a car built to be admired, driven, and remembered every single time the ignition key turns and that unforgettable V8 comes to life.